Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about the CPI numbers coming out and what that means for crypto.com and the crypto market as a whole. I also want to talk about a very curious article coming around and a narrative coming around the IRS, Internal Revenue Service Agency, being abolished, which is very, very interesting. Probably nothing will happen with that, but very, very interesting that is being talked about. I want to talk about Bitcoin and just the overall macroeconomics of the world. So, guys, we are almost at 6,500 subscribers. When we reached 10,000 subscribers, we were giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. At 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away this loaded lion NFT. Super excited about that. If you're a member, you get an additional plus 10 entries every month. All right, let's hop into this video, guys. So, the CPI data came out at 6.5% headlined and 5.7% core. It was estimated to be 6.5%, so it was estimated correctly. So far, the markets are not freaking out so much. And if you don't know what CPI is, it's basically Consumer Price Index, and basically it's a way to track the rate of inflation on the overall goods of the world, on gas, food, everything, and how much it costs you and I to buy something. And if it is inflated in price, then CPI is up. So that's the basic explanation of it. But guys, so it has not really affected the market too drastically. I mean, with a 6.5% is what was expected, but we did break above $18,000 Bitcoin yesterday, which was very, very nice to see. But right now we are playing with 17,877 in that range. I would like to see a daily close. We did get a daily close above 17,500, which is very, very nice. And I would like to see a weekly close. Can we get that, guys? If we get a weekly close, that'd be fantastic. Smash the like button if you want to see a weekly close above 18K, because man, oh man, guys, that will be some bullish continuation for us, and we want to see that, because if Bitcoin is bullish, CRO is bullish, and the other altcoins will rise up with it. So smash up the like button for that, because man, I want to see that. So guys, the House may vote on abolishing the IRS and income taxes. Very, very interesting that we are talking about this now, completely out of left field, almost like a don't worry guys, like we're thinking about the people, we'll help you out. Like if we do this, like guys, we're thinking about you. But let's be real here, guys. There's always a catch in legal jargon, and there's always a catch in political speak. Okay, and I don't want to be a bearer of bad news, but first off, abolishing the IRS and income taxes would be fantastic. There's a lot of states and countries that don't have income taxes. But if you were to abolish the federal income tax, that would be massive. Massive, guys. It would be very, very, very intriguing to see how that would play out in the economy. But, if they abolish the IRS and income taxes, there's going to be some other taxation. And they're talking basically about raising taxes on anything you buy. So basically, I can't find the quote, but I'll summarize it so you don't have to read this, guys. Basically, instead of paying $10 for eggs, I know eggs used to be like $2, now they're $10. $10 for eggs, you'll pay $13. And basically, there will be an upcharge on everything. And so, say you pay the $13 on the eggs, the $3 will go to the Fed, and the $10 will go to the business and trickle down. But it's very, very intriguing. I wonder how they would do that, and it would. There's definitely some caveats to it. But do I think this is going to happen? Probably not. I mean, let's be real here. Probably not. The government wants their money. Uncle Sam wants you to pay up. Yeah, it's very, very. I doubt this will happen, but very, very intriguing that we're talking about this in the first place. Very, very intriguing that this surfaces now at the beginning of this year, and after all this doom and gloom in the past 3 years that we've had. Very, very intriguing. So let's talk about crypto.com, because guys, we're pumping. We are pumping. We're looking over at the 4-hourly chart right now. Let's measure from this bottom of the support, and we came all the way up. We are 20% up, guys, in about a 13-day, 2-week time period. That's fantastic, guys. I would love to see us test this line up here, this resistance at about 0.0682 cents. If we can break above that, then and turn that resistance into support, I think our next shot is up here at about 9 to 10 cents. That would be my next point that I would look. Actually, probably there might be a small channel between 0.0682 cents and 0.0771, but after that, I think that there's not really much resistance there. If we break through that, I think the next stop here is the 9 to 10 cents range, which I know everyone wants to get back because, guys, let's be real here. Let's be real here. Before this whole FTX collapse and capitulation event, I think 12 cents was a fair value for Crocoin in this bear market. But I do think that as time goes on, fair value increases, guys. It increases. I think that we are definitely due for something a little bit bigger than that. I mean, honestly, we could be in the 20-cent range. This chart isn't really a good depiction of long-term time frame, but I think that yeah, guys, 12 cents, fair value. 15 cent Bitcoin at 35K, fair value of Crocoin, 25 cents. Like that's what I'm really seeing here. Especially guys, we've been having some of these altcoins pump, and it is curious. It is curious. It's a little spooky because we're conditioned to, we only go down to the side, guys. We only go down to the side for the past, it's been over a year. It's been 420 something days. But guys, when everybody's in denial, that's usually when we run. Like it's as simple as that. When everyone's saying, "Oh no, we're gonna capitulate down. We're gonna capitulate down," we should be shorting here. We should be shorting here. That's when usually we keep going to the upside. Max pain, guys, max pain. And then when everybody switches from, "Oh, we should be shorting here," to like, "All right, fine, I'll long," that's when we capitulate. So unfortunately, that's how the markets work. Max pain, guys. I also want to talk about Tonic a little bit because I drew these new support lines, and very, very curious, guys. Very, very curious. We are just pumping. We've created a new high in the short term, which is awesome to see. Please be careful, guys. Anything that shoots up like this definitely can capitulate to the downside. I mean, look at previous events here. Like it can reoccur. We've definitely seen this. Definitely seen this. I think I'll look into this chart a little bit more, and for the video tomorrow, I'll kind of do some more technical analysis on Tectonic because I know a lot of you guys like to see some updates on it and some price targets. So I'll do that tomorrow. But honestly, I just wanted to give you a quick update on it today because, guys, we're still pumping. And congratulations if it's pumping up right now. This formation, I'll tell you, I see this, and it reminds me very much like the top of Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at 69K. So take that with a grain of salt. I'm gonna leave you with that because I don't want to speculate more or make you guys panic sell, or I don't want you guys to FOMO in. Just if you're up in profits, maybe it's not a bad idea to take a little bit off the table, just a little bit. Not financial advice, but maybe just take a little bit of profit off the table. Or if you're DCAing, just DCA away, guys. That's the easiest way to invest. So I want to talk about Bitcoin a little bit. Because, guys, see this little tiny green thing? This beautiful little tiny green curvature? This almost W. Guys, a W pattern is very bullish. It's very bullish. We need to see that, though. We need to break this point right here above the $18,000 mark on the daily. I would love to see a close above that. And then if we can break above this right here, 21,000. I know that's a tall ask, but if you paid close attention to the price action the other day, it just happens in a snap of a finger where we just fly a couple $1,000s to the upside, guys. It's really drastic and dramatic when it happens right now because we're so conditioned to the down to the sides slug, but guys, that happens all the time in Bitcoin. It happens all the time, especially when we're in bear or bull markets where we just go. $5,000 candle in 30 minutes. It happens. It happens. Just be wary, guys. Be wary. Be careful if you're shorting. Be careful if you're longing. And if you do want to open up a short position, if you think I'm crazy that I think we're going to the upside and you want to counter trade me, go down and below and there's FEMX, BitGet, tons of sign-on bonuses for leverage trading. You get $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet. It's pretty incredible if you deposit and open a trade. Yeah, guys, if you feel free to use some leverage if you'd like. Just please be careful. It's for experienced traders. But yeah, I think that we're in a pretty bullish formation here. I think that our next target I'm going to be looking at is about 21,300 for a major target, I should say. If we can break up to the upside of that and this W pattern is confirmed, I'll be bullish. I'll be very, very bullish. And, yeah, guys, let's look over the longer term because, I've been adding 425 days. I believe that if we break above that 21K mark, I'll probably turn this back to 406 days at the bottom, which is I adjusted the purple chart and to the bottom, the true bottom so far of this cycle, and it's about the $15,400, $15,500 mark right here after the FTX capitulation. So I think that that was the bottom, guys. I'll be honest. I really do think that that was the bottom, but be careful. Be careful. I think this is a fantastic accumulation zone. I'm buying. If we come down another 50%, I don't really care at this point, honestly, because would you rather buy right now and have a 50% loss and then have a would you let me draw this image out. The image will explain more. Would you rather buy now, lose 50% and then have a 10x to 160,000 or even 20x if we were to come down to like 8K, but that's not happening. I shouldn't say that so confidently, but I'm pretty confident that that's not happening. But or would you rather buy or would you rather wait and you're saying, "Oh no, it's going to come down, guys. It's going to come down, guys." And then you buy at 60,000 and you already missed out on half of your gains of multipliers of your money. I'm just saying, from a statistical standpoint, it probably would behoove you to purchase and accumulate now, even if we do have another 50% drawdown. Just my 2 cents. If you stuck around this far, please consider liking, subscribing, and becoming a YouTube member, guys. The YouTube members are really fun. I love creating this community. We have a private Discord, CryptoKip and I, where we give NFT alpha, we give trade signals, you get a little bit of one-on-one time, and we also will be coming out with pure Q&As once a week for our members on Discord. So I'm pretty excited about that as well. All you got to do is either scroll below this video and click join member, or on our channel, you click join right here. And there's different tiers you can use, and you get these loyalty badges, and you also get these emojis to use in our live streams or in our comment section, which is every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. We do a live stream, CryptoKip and I. And guys, if you consider becoming a member, that would mean a lot. So thank you very much, guys. If you stuck around this far, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.